And this is the aftermath of a piercing.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shri.
Hi.
You must remember her. She was the editor of the last video, which was amazing. And so we just finished our semester exams today, and it was a spontaneous plan. We just decided that we should go and get pierced. I've been wanting a lip piercing for like so long now, and she's been wanting a nose piercing for way too long now. Like, how long has it been? How long have you been thinking?
Approximately 2 years. Ever since I actually graduated from school, I've been thinking about getting my nose piercing.
Okay, so me and her are on the way right now to Silofers, and yeah, we're gonna shoot the whole thing and show you the experience of getting pierced. Hey, you! Are you excited? Yeah?
It's not there on the face, but yes.
Yeah? Say that again?
It's not there on the face, but yes. Like seriously, I'm so excited and I'm pumped up right now. Exams are over. I'm getting pierced. I'm going to eat after this. Everything done.
That's amazing. That's the life.
That's the life.
That's right.
What's up?
I'm so excited
Why?
because I'm gonna get my lip pierced and look like a gangster that I am.
You sure you want that gangster look?
Yeah, I'm a gangster.
Who are you gonna impress?
Pavitra to punk real quick. Guys, let me know your thoughts about this video because this is something that I'm really excited about. I've been thinking about it for so long, and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys. Like, I have no words. That's how excited I am. We just reached, as in, what am I saying? Yeah, so like we just, okay, this is so awkward to vlog when people are there and when you can't see on face, but it's cool, we're gonna do it. So what I'm saying is we just reached M Block Market and now we're gonna use the Google Maps to reach Silofers because none of us dodos have any idea where it is. So yeah, we're gonna take you with us. Bye!
Look at this girl trying to figure out where the place is. Have you found anything yet?
I'm trying.
It's Google Maps. How hard can it be?
I'm trying, okay?
Seriously. Did you get
4
it?
minutes, Lego. It's raining. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, this is a whole Saas Bahu scene. Pinky Saas.
आइए अंदर आइए जरा.
It's raining here.
Of course, it's the best day to go actually. Like,
No.
do not confuse me, please don't. You just have one job.
I think
We're trying to find out where this place is,
yeah.
and like apparently we're just walking in the rain right now,
Which is
And-
very romantic.
which is
but-
very romantic, but the scene
But,
isn't nice.
yeah.
It's just a plain road with vehicles coming from the
I
back.
feel like we're gonna reach soon.
I hope so.
Yeah, I feel like we're
You're the
close.
navigator.
We're
Please.
close, we're close.
So this genius here didn't understand that M Block Market is actually a square, and we're on the back side of the square, and we legit have to go to the opposite side. And since we're not superwomen, we cannot women superwomen. Since we're not superwomen, I don't know how I got into this college. Anyway, since we're not superwomen, we cannot jump from one place to the other. So we need to walk all the way back from where we came.
Or we can just take a shady place route
It's can you guys see? It's
Here.
just a staircase.
with a shady board.
I think we might be lost again. Shaz, you had one job.
No, we're not lost. We're this close. This close. I think we should have asked someone. Bhaiya, Silofers time.
Don't get hit. Don't get hit. Don't get hit.
the studs that we have to select from. It's nice. It's a nice variety. There is Shri trying out the show. Show now. It's not. It's looking good.
It has to be more inside. I've opened it up.
Ask them how to put it. No. How scared we are.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm on 100 right now.
Like, I'm so damn scared right now. If I die while getting my lip pierced, all of you remember that I love you a lot and that you're all capable of such great things in life. I'm so scared. They have Alpengebe for after piercing for kids like us.
It's like going to the dentist office and you're like thinking that you're going to take your teeth out.
Yeah.
And it's going to hurt so bad.
I'm freaking the
Okay,
fuck
I'm
out.
not shaking though.
Are you shaking?
I'm not. I'm not shaking.
Okay, let's do this. Dig your nails into my hand. Dig your nails into my hand.
गुड लेट्स क्लोज कंफर्टेबल फील करो ठीक है 2 मिनट बैठो
Yeah, it looks really good. It looks so punk. Oh my god. It does. Oh god. Just don't cry. Don't cry. Hey, at least you didn't cry. That's good. Chill, chill, chill. You don't need to speak anything. Hmm. It hurts? It's shaking. Oh, that's nice. Don't say anything. Just. Cool. Holy crap. The pain afterwards?
I'm like blacking out.
Don't black out. All you need is a leather jacket now. Black leather jacket. Then you're good to go.
Don't show the world my cowardice.
Oh please. You got your lip pierced. It's a big deal.
facial expressions right now because it's hurting, but yeah, I look pretty young. So please speak for me.
So this is the aftermath of the piercing that just happened. This woman is like gone. She doesn't even want to speak, but she can. Bas wo nakre kar rahi hai, I'd say.
I can't speak, okay?
And I got my nose piercing done. She got a lip piercing done. It looks funk. Like it looks really funk. My mom might probably disown her.
Really proud that we got it done because we've been wanting to do this for so long. I hope you guys can understand what I'm saying.
By the way, she's eating a toffee, so don't mind her. And I'm also eating a toffee. And they gave us 3 toffees. That's nice.
Yeah, and also guys, I wanted to ask your opinion. Does this look good? And if this does, should I get a nose piercing too? Leave it in the comments below. Feel free to stalk us on Instagram @thisisshalu @notthewealthylakshmi, and we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.